Natural selection may arise from differences in survival, in fertility, in rate of development, in mating success, or in any other aspect of the life cycle. All such differences result in natural selection to the extent that they affect the number of progeny an organism leaves. To understand the concept of natural selection more, it's important to know the important facts behind the story. First is that natural selection depends on the environment. Natural selection does not favor traits that are somehow inherently superior. Instead, it favors traits that are beneficial. That is, help an organism survive and to reproduce more effectively than its peers in a specific environment. Traits that are helpful in one environment might actually be harmful in another. Natural selection only acts on existing heritable variation. It needs more starting material, and that starting material is heritable variation. For natural selection to act on a feature, there must already be variation, or the differences among individuals for that feature. Also, the differences have to be heritable, determined by the organism's genes. The heritable variation, where natural selection acts upon, comes from random mutations. The original source of the new gene variants that produce new heritable traits, such as the fur colors, is a random mutation, or the changes in DNA sequence. Random mutations that are passed on to offspring typically occur in the germline or sperm and egg cell lineage of organisms. Sexual reproduction mixes and matches gene variants to make a more variation. Overall, natural selection is about the ability to adapt. The more you adapt, the better you'll survive.